This is Michelle. Michelle is a sixth grader who enjoys socializing with peers. She is a very active student. Michelle should take a step back when she is feeling stressed, energetic, or disruptive. She often acts in profanity during classroom lessons. She should take a step back and walk away from either the instructor or peers when stressed. She should then identify how she is feeling. What emotion is this specifically? Is she feeling happy, sad, stressed, angry? All of these will give her an answer to the situation. She should then determine what made her feel that way. Is Michelle stressed about the big project that's coming up? Or is she feeling hurt about something that happened at home? Either way, this may disrupt her education. Log these answers in the self-management journal and show your teacher the progress rather than showing negative behaviors. Michelle chose to log her emotions in her journal and show Miss K rather than act out in profanity. Mrs. K agreed that this was a much better choice for Michelle to make. Good job, Michelle.